In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a LinkedIn link to your resume in Canva. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Just open your preferred browser and type in the web address, or click a save bookmark if you've got one handy. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or simply enter your email address and password if you prefer the traditional route. It's straightforward, but make sure you have your login credentials ready. Now, with your LinkedIn account open, navigate to your profile page. This is where all the magic happens. Look to the top of your browser window, and that's where you'll find the web address, or URL, of your profile page. Go ahead and copy that URL. This unique link is what you'll be showcasing on your resume. Next up, open Canva and access your resume design. If you haven't yet used Canva, it's a user-friendly graphic design tool that makes creating stunning resumes a breeze. Navigate through your saved designs to find your resume and open it up for editing. Once your design is ready to go, pinpoint where you'd like to add your LinkedIn link. It could be in a dedicated section for contact information or perhaps right next to your email address. Look out for a text box or a specific area on your template that's ideal for links. When you've decided on the spot, highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. You might choose the word LinkedIn, or simply use your name. The choice is yours. With the text highlighted, you'll notice a floating toolbar appear. This is where you'll find the link icon, a small chain symbol. Click on the icon to open a field for inserting your URL. Paste the LinkedIn profile URL you copied earlier into this field. Double check to ensure you've pasted the correct link because nothing says professional like accuracy. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Done to finalize your changes. And there you have it, you've successfully linked your LinkedIn profile to your resume in Canva. This small addition can make a big difference, offering potential employers an easy route to learn more about you. Remember, keeping your resume up to date and including direct links to your professional profiles, like LinkedIn, reflects a polished and professional image. It's an easy step, but it adds a layer of accessibility and professionalism to your application. And that wraps up our guide on how to add your LinkedIn link to your resume using Canva. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on enhancing your professional documents. Until next time, have a great day.